How to remove parental control on Google account without password. If you'd like to disable your parental control on Google account without password, these are the methods you can follow up. So if you do not have a parent's account with the parental, the supervision with the parent's account, what you can do is you can just go ahead and clear the data of your Google Play Store for that. So you can reset parental controls via Play Store app. So you can go to Google Play Store or you can head over to devices settings, open it up, and once you open it up, just head over, go to apps, find it up, and from apps, go over to the search at the top and search for Play Store here. After you find Play Store, tap on it, open up the Google Play Store on your screen, and from here you will be finding option called force stop. So you can force stop your application completely, and that should help you fix the issue. So you can just go ahead and try doing so, or you can just go over and disable control from your parental control. Before that, you can even try clearing data. So go to storage, tap on storage as well within settings, and go ahead and tap on clear data. After that, confirm it. After that, relaunch the Google Play Store application on your device. Go over to your profile at the top right. From here, you may just go over to parental controls, go to settings for that, and go to family, tap on it, go to parental controls, and if that option is turned on, you can just go ahead and turn it off, and you may need to you may not need any kind of permissions in order to turn it off. So you can just go ahead and follow up the process, or you can disable supervision with a parent's account. If you have that, you may just find the option to stop supervision, and that way you can remove yourself from parental controls. So these are the methods you can follow up if you'd like to do so. So that's it for today's video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.